reaction starts now.
Right there, that's the toughest opponent you'll ever have to face. And I believe that on stage, and I believe that in life. Now, you show me what you got. Stop! Give it to me again. Smile truthfully. Stop it. Fake. Frown. Smile. Frown. Smile. Smile! Damn it! You gotta go harder. The rope is a rope of life. Swing life over your neck. If you fall down, if you trip, do you get up again? And if you do get up again, do you change from heels to flats? Are you special? I don't know. That's up to you. You know, only you.
Dad! It's just Miss Golden Globe.
Just Miss Golden Globe. That's how you look at it. Maybe you just ain't ready for it, huh? You think about that.
Wow.
Left, right. All those nominees coming up for their awards. All those nominees. You gotta be careful. You know, some of these people have hepatitis. You don't want them. What are you doing? Why are you sad face?
What if I fall? What if I trip? What if I drop an award?
And everybody's drinking champagne and high on prescription medicine out there. Doesn't matter. You get out there and you do your thing. It won't be as bad as Steve Harvey. Huh?
That's actually helpful.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad.
All right.
I feel better.
I feel better too. No drinking and no talking to boys. Or girls either. You know, it's Hollywood. They tempt you. Because a boy talked to me one time and
Okay.
compromised myself for about 18 minutes.
Oh, wow. That was great. I love it. That was great. How they referenced Creed and how they did the Creed reference. That is very, very awesome. Not as bad as Steve Harvey though. Jamie really went there. Oh my gosh. Feel free to let me know what you think of this video. If you enjoyed my reaction, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you click subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all.